Hello, I'm Dr. Olivia Rose. Today, I'm going to share a simple home remedy for strengthening your hair and getting that shine back. This is an apple cider vinegar rinse. The pH of your hair can be altered by chlorine and hair products such as gel and hairspray, which can leave your hair dry and frizzy. When applied as a diluted solution to your hair and scalp, this rinse restores the natural pH of your hair, which is mildly acidic. This is a simple treatment you can do weekly to deeply cleanse and moisturize your hair, and you just need 3 ingredients: apple cider vinegar, grapeseed oil, and water. Start off with pure apple cider vinegar. You'll need a measuring cup or an applicator bottle, and you mix 1 ounce of apple cider vinegar in 7 ounces of water. Add in 2 teaspoons of grapeseed oil, which will help seal in the hydration, and you shake the mixture really well. Slowly pour the solution over your clean hair and scalp, and then give yourself a gentle massage. Leave it in for 5 minutes, rinse, and style as usual. And that's it. Thank you for joining me. For more of my health tips, don't forget to visit the Vitarock blog.